In this tutorial, we'll go over how to calculate the average in Microsoft Excel and take a look at some examples using the average function. Hello and welcome. Chad here with Determined Data, helping you sort and manage your information in the most efficient way possible. And hey, if you're new here, on this channel I do Excel tips and tricks videos as well as tutorials just like this one. So if you find it helpful, consider subscribing. So this should be a fairly quick video. As you can see here, I have some history grades for some students. I have their name, their class, teacher, but what we really want to focus on today is their grade. Now let's say we want to calculate the average grade for the entire class. Now it's an important thing to know that there are always multiple ways of doing things in Excel. I want to give you 3 ways on how we could calculate the average for the entire class. The first way is just using the regular average function. To do that, all we have to do is click in a cell, hit the equal sign to start our formula, type in average, open parentheses, and now it wants us to select a range of cells to average. So we'll select our grades, close brackets, and hit enter. And there we have our average. Now I want to look at a whole number, so I'm going to come up here to the ribbon and move my decimal over 2 places. Let's put a title here. The second way of finding our average is using the auto sum button, or in this case the auto average button, and that is found up here in the ribbon under the home tab. Right here all the way to the right, click on it and you have some quick access to sum, average, count, max, etc. So to use this, what we need to do first is highlight our group of cells that we want averaged, and then come up here to the auto sum and hit average. Now it's going to drop it right below the range of cells that you did. And again, it gives us our average, quick and easy. And the third way of getting our average for the entire class is turning this into a table. To do that, all we need to do is highlight the data that we want turned into a table, come up here to Format as Table, make sure My Table as Headers is checked, hit OK. And now what we're going to do is make sure we're clicked into the table, come up here to the Table tab, and you see this button here that says Total Row, make sure that is checked on. And now we have a total that is auto-generated by Excel right at the bottom here, but that is giving us the wrong information, and we actually want the average for the grade. So we can go ahead and delete this cell. We can come to this cell, click the drop-down menu here, and here we have the option to pick average. And there we have our average. We can delete this, type in average right here. And there we go. And again, if you want to just look at a whole number, you'd click on the cell and you'd come up here to move the decimal to the left 2 places. So there are 3 ways to calculate the average in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.